In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write responsive search ads in Google Ads in a flash. If you're looking to enhance your advertising strategy without spending endless hours crafting different ad variations, this guide is perfect for you. We'll utilize the power of artificial intelligence to efficiently generate compelling headlines that could significantly boost your ad performance. To begin, you want to navigate to ChatGPT, a powerful tool that helps streamline the creative process for writing ad copy. Open up your web browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Having access to this AI tool is essential as it offers a robust platform for generating creative ideas quickly and effectively. Once you're on ChatGPT, you can start by using AI to generate catchy and relevant headlines. Think about your advertising goals and the message you want to convey to your audience. What are the key aspects of your product or service that you want to highlight? Consider the pain points of your customers and how your offering solves their problems. By having a clear idea of these elements, you'll be able to guide the AI to produce more targeted headlines. Next, type your input or ideas into ChatGPT. For example, if you're advertising a new coffee shop that offers unique blends, you might prompt the AI with something like, create headlines for a new coffee shop that highlights unique coffee blends and a cozy atmosphere. The key here is to be as specific and detailed as possible to get the most relevant and creative headlines from the AI. Allow the AI a moment to process your input. It will then generate a list of potential headlines for your responsive search ads. Take a close look at these suggestions and evaluate them based on relevance, creativity, and how well they align with your advertising goals. You might want to tweak them a bit for personalization or to fit the character limits in Google Ads. Each headline should be attention-grabbing and provide value or a clear call to action to entice potential customers. Now that you have your AI-generated headlines, it's time to incorporate them into your Google Ads. Open your Google Ads account and go to the section for creating responsive search ads. You can input multiple headlines and Google will automatically test various combinations to identify the best performers. Paste your selected headlines into the respective fields in the ad creation interface, making sure they convey the right message and are tailored to your audience's needs. In summary, using AI like ChatGPT to create responsive search ads saves you time and ensures you have diverse and compelling ad variations. By leveraging AI's creativity and efficiency, you're well on your way to crafting an effective ad campaign that stands out. Thanks for joining me today and happy advertising.